In this video, you'll type a list of all supplies you will need for your celebration and your budget for all those supplies. Keeping track of your budget will help you plan ahead for your spending on the party. It will help you determine whether you should spend less on certain things to save money for others. For example, you may realize that you need to borrow decorations in order to pay for food. In column A, type a list of all the supplies you will need. Start by clicking in cell A2. Type the name of something you'll need for your party. If you can't think of anything, type what you see in the video. When you're done typing, press Enter or Return. You will automatically move down to the next cell in the column. Type in all the supplies you will need for your party, pressing Enter or Return between each one to move to the cell below. When you're done, click in cell B2. Look at the item you added in A2 and type in what that item will cost. Now press Enter to go down column B and type in the cost of all the supplies you've listed in column A. In the next video, you'll learn how to quickly add up all these costs. If you want, you can search the web to find out the exact cost of things. To learn how to do a Google search, check out our lesson, Google Search for Beginners. Now it's your turn. List supplies in column A and list the cost of each item in column B. Then click Next to watch the next video.